Hello everyone. Today we are going to solve question number 1 of exercises motion of class 9. How to solve this question? Let us take this question in this way, that is, an athlete completes one round of a circular track of diameter 200 meter in 40 seconds, right? What will be the distance covered and the displacement at the end of 2 minutes 20 seconds, right? Let us find what is the solution of this question. First we will solve what is given, after that I will solve this question. I am writing a solution, after that let us take what is given. Here you see that is diameter is given, the diameter is 200 meter. Diameter is given, the diameter is equal to 200 meter. Therefore, we can find the radius. We know that radius equal to diameter by 2, that is radius is equal to, we know that radius is equal to diameter by 2, diameter by 2. What is the diameter? Diameter is 200 meter by 2, therefore, the radius is equal to 100 meter, right. This is the radius, we got the radius here. Now, we will find the speed of this athlete. First, we will find the speed of this athlete. What is the speed? The speed is equal to, I know that the distance by time, distance by time. We know that this formula, right. Suppose is the athlete runs in a circular path, then we know that circumference is 2 pi r, c is equal to 2 pi r. Now, the total distance we can find here is 2 pi r, right, and the total time to make one round is 40 seconds. This is the speed. Now, if you want to find the total distance of this athlete after 2 minutes 20 seconds, therefore, time in this case is equal to 2 minutes 20 seconds, 2 minutes and 20 seconds and 20 seconds. What is the value of 2 minutes 20 seconds? That is 2 into 60, we are changing it into second, plus 20 second, that is 120 plus 20 second, and that is equal to 140 second, right. This is time. Now, if you want to find the distance covered by the athlete, therefore, we know that distance is equal to speed into time. Distance is equal to speed into time, speed into time. Here we find the speed as 2 pi r by 40, therefore, it will be 2 pi r by 40 and the time is 140 second, 140, right. I will calculate what is the value 2, and the value of pi we know that 22 by 7, and radius is 100 meter into 140 divided by 40, or you can write it in this way, that 2 into 22 by 7 into 100 into 140 this 40 by 1, that means 141 by 40 into 1 by 40. Let us find what is the value here, right. Let us find what is the value. Let us find what is the value. This 0 and this 0 will cut, right. Here 2 to the 4, 2 7 is 14, this 7 and this 7 will cut, and this 2 and this 2 will cut, that is 2200, right. That is the distance is we get is 2200 100 meter. We have got the distance. Now, if you want to find the displacement, what is the question? That is, what is the distance covered and the displacement at the end of 2 minutes 20 seconds, right? 2 minutes 20 seconds. What is the displacement? We know the displacement is in 2 minutes 20 seconds. How many rounds the athlete makes, that I want to know, right? Therefore, number of rounds by athlete is equal to, in one round it takes 40, therefore, in 140 seconds number of round will be 140 by 40, right? That is number of round per athlete. That is this will cut, 2 to the 4, 2 7 is 14, 7 by 2, and that is 3.5 round, right? Suppose the athlete starts from x position, this is y position, right, and this is diameter is 200 meter. Now, you see 3.5 round means what? 3.5 round means this person is first round, this is the first round, right, again this is the second round, again this is the third round, and the end this half means here to here, that is x to y, and we know that displacement is from x to y, that is this is the displacement of this athlete, that is 200 meter, right. Initial position is this and final position is y, therefore, it will be 200 meter. Therefore, displacement in this case is displacement equal to diameter, and that is equal to 200 meter. Yes, that is number of rounds by athlete is 140 by 40, that is 3.5 round. 3.5 round means what? Suppose this is the circle, right? The athlete starts from x, right? He starts from x. This is one complete round, this is one complete round, second round, and this is third round, and half means x to y. The final position is at y. Therefore, displacement, you know that is starting position to final position, that is from here to here, that is the displacement. This is the displacement, right, x y. Therefore, the value of x y is 200 meter. Therefore, we got the diameter as 200 meter, that is the displacement, and the distance we got is 2200 meter, right. Therefore, we got two things. One is distance, we got distance is equal to 2200 meter, and in this case displacement is equal to 200 meter, and that is our answer, right. Thank you everybody for watching this video.